Dr. Gupta, what is the school's failure in this particular case? Would they have not been able to detect something like this? Already the violence was worked into that kind of conversation. Maar deta, maar kyun dala? That itself is really scary.
Absolutely. The behavior of the children have to be monitored regularly. And this would be something that would be happening or occurring multiple times. So the school should be able to counsel the children. The school should be able to take action against such children, call the parents and tell them to keep the child at home and not send the child to school. Because generally, whenever there are issues like this, the children are dealt with strictly, and if they are not behaving properly, they are also asked to be sitting at home and not coming to the school. So this cannot be the first incident. It has to be repetitive in nature. He is so casual, he just doesn't know the difference between right and wrong. He just doesn't know how to communicate. So there has to be a reason for that. So the parents also have to be equally blamed. It's not just the school. Both the school and the parents have failed in the duty. And where is the access to the knife coming from? Do the parents not know that he's carrying the knife? And
Right. Okay.
there are supposed to be CCTV cameras in the school. Frisking of the children has to be done. So if the children are, and if we were to believe what Rakesh ji is saying, that means multiple times the weapons are being brought to the school. Now we heard of the gun culture in the other countries. The parents are not sending the children to school to be killed or to be armed like this.